Hello beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you how I built this shelf from Dollar General that I got. It was only 20 bucks. It's one of these, like, you know, cube looking cases that are like 30-40 bucks and over anywhere else you'll see them. So when I saw this when I went to Dollar General today, I was like, I need one. I was gonna go to Walmart. It was about to be like over 40 bucks, so why not get this one? It seems pretty legit. As you can see, I already took everything out of the boxes and whatnot to just go ahead and get right on started. So if you want to see how I build it, see how it looks, and me give, I guess, my review on it, then just keep on watching.
Alrighty, so first things first, as you can see, I'm reading the directions, and then I put my hair up because obviously, like, I want my hair to be out of the way while I am doing this project. You'll also see me put on my glasses because I am blind, so I can't see. But yeah, I'm taking everything out of the package and kind of just trying to find what I need with reading the directions. It's telling me exactly like what parts I need. They have little letters on them. I don't know if you can see. I'm horrible at explaining, so I really hope you can just kind of see what I'm doing so that it'll be a little better for you to understand. Right now I'm just struggling, as you can see, to hammer these little things in because it just felt like I just wasn't hitting hard enough so they wouldn't go in. But I also was like, these just don't look like they're gonna go in correctly. I don't know, it just looked weird to me, but eventually I get it. As you'll end up seeing, I got it and got them all hammered in, and then I moved on to the next part. So now moving on to the next part. As you can see, the little legs are on the, you know, bottom. And like I said before, the directions have like little letters on them to let you know which part comes next. So right now I'm just lining it up just so that I can get out these screws and start to screw, you know, the pieces together. I'm gonna do that obviously with all of the different pieces. I'm gonna screw them in and then move on to the next part. So hopefully you can really just honestly see what I'm doing. Be careful if you get the same one. Be careful with doing this because I was screwing it and wasn't holding in the screw or really paying attention, and I accidentally kind of stabbed it through the other side and kind of had to undo the screw and then do it again, as you can see right here. But it's fine. I mean, it's still stable and everything. It doesn't look bad because obviously I put stuff inside it so you can't tell, but I just wanted to put that out there that you should definitely be careful when doing that. Okay, so coming up on this next part, I want to say that this is completely optional and up to you if you want to do this. It's hammering the little black board that comes with it on the back, just so that the dresser shelf thing isn't see-through. Obviously, if you want it to be see-through, you just wouldn't do this part, but it came with it, so I was just like, I might as well. I didn't need for it to be see-through, and the black back part looked nice, so I did it. You don't have to do it. It's completely up to preference, but after I do this, I will be done. As you can see, super simple. This took me maybe 30 minutes to complete in total. No time at all. It was extremely simple, and like I said, only $20. So definitely, if you can find it, I 100% recommend it, because obviously it's inexpensive and effective and, you know, easy to assemble. So yeah, that is all. Alright, beauty babes, so we have finished the Dollar Tree organizer. I'm just gonna give a little like feedback on it. I kind of messed up on doing it because I was supposed to have all the black parts obviously facing the front, and I accidentally made it the other way around, so I had to turn it around. But other than that, this is extremely easy to put up. They don't recommend you put more than 15 pounds on either drawer, which is fine because I'm not gonna put that heavy stuff on it anyway. I just got this to go in this area under my TV because I didn't like not having anything under it. So yeah, this is it. This is how it's looking. It took little to no time to put it up. It took maybe 30 minutes, maybe. It was extremely easy to put up. You will need a hammer and a screwdriver for this, but I feel like everyone has that somewhere in their house. But other than that, you don't need any fancy tools. And like I said, this was only 20 bucks, and it wasn't like, oh, it was on sale 20 bucks. Like, no, like this was just a straight 20 bucks. And this is the box, just in case anyone wants to buy it. It is the True Living Essentials 2-tier bookcase that I got again from Dollar General. But anyway, we have come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.